Andito tayo sa Decathlon, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Ayan, pasok tayo dito. Buy 2. Hala, mura lang pala nito. Ay, akala ko to. Kasi sa TikTok 200 plus lang yan eh. Akala ko naman 200 eh. Ito, save 215 yung pala. Dalawa. Ito siya. Oh. Dalawa na, 200. 2,300. Yan o. You buy 2.
Yeah, you only save 250.
Yeah, I know. That's what I thought. That's the price. Ah, so 300 to eh. 300. 300 each. Yeah.
Oh.
For one. Ano siya oh. Mga pang buy 2, 2,322. Yung mga chair na ganitong pang picnic. Ayan siya oh. Ito 300. Daddy, you wanna see this? Can you check that out? That one. The 1 kilo.
Oh, it's one of those city things.
Yeah. That one. Pang ano, pang old person. Charot.
So old, I don't even know how to open it.
I think that's the one, oh. No, you don't know how to open it? The sample is in the floor. The one is... Yeah, that's the sample. You don't know how to open it? You have to take it off from the top. There you go. And then open. They're so small. Right? Can you try to sit?
It's a long way down.
Oh my God. Daddy, you might break it, huh? Eto, there's another one, oh. Ay, this is not good quality. Parang mas maganda pa yung quality nito. Kasi medyo heavy. Heavy duty. Ito, hindi. Hawak mo na lang magaan. Ito din. Ito parang para sa amin. 800. Ang ganda ng kulay nito. Heavy duty din to ha. Oh, mabigat. 890. 890. Ang ganda ng kulay. At meron din siya dito. Rest.
It's a good chair.
Yeah, I know. It's really comfortable. Ay, si ate, oh. Hi naman kayo sa vlog ko. Charot lang.
It's a comfort. Ano po?
990 sa 1,000. Ay, ang ganda nito dati. Oh, look. That's the nice. Ay, ang ganda rin ng price. 280. 2,800. Mga pang-camping. Gusto ko to. Yung mga pang-camping. Ang laki guys, oh. Yung mga pang-camping. Oh my God, 6,000. Oy, ay, ang ganda niya. In fairness, parang may bahay ka na. May eto, may ano. May chair na rin nakasama. Ah, they all separate price. Ayan, oh, laki, oh. O, diba? Ang, eto siya. 50%, ito lang siya. 5,000. Tapos, the couches. Foam. Ito siya. Inflatable. Inflatable. Iba-iba yung price niya. Ayun, ito. Tulugan. Wag, ano ka. Ay, ang ganda nito, oh. Tingnan nyo. Mukhang antibay, ah. Matibay siya. Heavy duty. Ito naman, guys, oh. I think the inyo can fit there. Right? 7,000. Yeah. With 2 kids, I think. Yeah, with 2 kids can fit there. I like the one is easy to assemble, not the one we have before. That is like lots of thing. This one, I think, is just open and close. You know? It's like just like that, or fold and then close. Yan siya. Ito for 5,000. Yan yung mga price. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga price. Ito malaki yung family. 5,000. So, ayun lang. Tumingin lang tayo. labas muna kami.